Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy AI16Z on Coinbase Wallet. Alright, so in order to buy the token on your Coinbase Wallet, all you need to do is open up your browser, head over to coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. Once you're here, simply scroll through till you find its contract address. The contract address is on the website, so all you need to do is simply copy this contract address. Once you've copied it to your clipboard, minimize and open up the Coinbase wallet you have installed. So once you've opened up your Coinbase wallet, please make sure you have some Solana on your wallet. If you do not have some Solana on your wallet, you could simply deposit Solana onto your wallet by simply clicking on the copy option here for your addresses and click on other asset, and then go ahead and copy your Solana wallet address. If you do not have Solana to deposit from outside of your Coinbase, you could as well make use of your credit card. When you simply click on the buy option, you're taken to where you can buy via the debit or credit card for different tokens, so you can simply buy Solana on here. All right guys, so once you've bought yourself some Solana, how can you get the AI16Z token? You could do this by simply heading over to the Solana on your wallet. So click on this Solana, scroll through and click on swap. Now you could simply perform a direct swap using the DEX features of Coinbase Wallet and simply convert from Solana into the AI16Z, or you could simply go to your DApps section on here and find a DEX that specializes in Solana trading, and you could simply trade your Solana on that platform. Alright guys, so in this video we'll be going with the direct swap. So head back, click on Solana, click on swap, and then enter an amount of SOL you wish to convert into the AI16Z. Once you've entered an amount, simply click on asset and then simply paste the contract address. So once you've pasted the contract address, you'd find the AI16Z. Click on this token, click on continue, and then simply click on swap. You can view all the network fees. So click on swap, enter your passcode, and now it's swapping and it's done. The swap has been confirmed. So now all you need to do is click on done, head back to your wallet, perform a reload, and you'd find the AI16Z on your wallet. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.